Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install ZEPHON game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser, just search for the Steam website and simply open it, then just click on this login option. You are seeing on the right hand top here, simply sign into your account. If you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam. This is very simple and easy. After that, just click on the Start Steam option. You are seeing on the top guys here. Simply download the Steam and install it on your PC, and this is also very simple and easy. After that, open up the Steam, then just click on the top search box, guys. Here, simply type the game name, which is the ZEPHON. Now, this will appear on the top. So, open up this game. Now, once you open up this game, just scroll down, guys, scroll down. Here, you'll see the option of add to cart. You can also purchase this game of the version. Click on that cart option, then just click on the option of in my cart you are seeing here. Then just click on this continue to payment option, and guys, here simply pay with the PayPal or any of the card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your library of Steam. Just go to the library of Steam on the left hand side, just find the ZEPHON game, click on that, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.